uyasilahlwa uyabona mfethu ukuthi we are fighting as a genre.
Yeah.
Like fighting who, bro? If you beggar, how many rappers really make real money from rap? The average hip hop listener in South Africa does not have a monetary contribution. As will engage on social media, they'll follow you, they'll make sure to vunyiwe, they'll talk about you in spaces in your absence. They will make sure ukuthi uvunyiwe ukuthi enjoy a game. Up until sekufane khishwe imali. Kwathi ha sekuyabheda. Wena ha ungayishiya impilo yakho. Afani mfethu. Ukucorrect. Akekho umuntu osempilweni yobumnyama ongekho aware ukuthi impilo yobumnyama.
How important it is, dog, when it comes to finance as an artist, just to be financially literate in the industry for you.
Yo, fine.
So how do you define success for umuntu industry?
How important it is to be present as well.
I don't think you can ever put it in words.
Welcome to the Ease Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Igama uNkanyiso Nqhume, your host. Angihambi ngedwa obviously. Ngiphethe uAndile Ace Ngcobo, ngiphethe uMalusi Shezi. Bese namhlanje ngikuphathele ngiyabona ke namhlanje bafethu ngihlezi ngwababaza amanye ama-guests sidlalela kodwa la I think sesifikile la kumele sifike khona. Ngiphethe uMalusi Ndlovu, better known as Beast RSA.
Beast ujadi.
Ujadi. Ukredi bese.
Easy to kanjani?
No ngikhona mfethu. Angiqale ngibonge mfethu ngaleli thuba elibaluleke kanje ukuthi umuntu akwazi ukuhlala nawe phansi.
Showcase.
Ngibonga njengefan. Qala. Bese ngibonge njengomuntu okubonile espacini. Bese ngibonge njengomuntu otholile ukubona umuva ngendlela thizeni egamini wazofikelela la ufike khona. Yebo? Ngiwulalelile kakhulu music wakho, yebo? And ngiyawuncane. I think clarify la, I'm one of those people abaphatheka kabuhlungu ngikubona usungena kuma piano. Angiqale nje lapho. Ngaphatheka kabuhlungu kakhulu because if uyakhumbula sise wish uhamba nabo Rich Madlisa nani ngaze ngakucela ukuthi cela siphinde sirap futhi because I thought you ngangizwa ushiye kakhulu but I was happy. I was happy kakhulu ukuzwa ususidedelela ngale album oqeda kusipha yona. Thank you so much. Okay. Athi siqale phansi bese siyilandise. Ukukhuluma nomuntu onjengawe ke kunzima because if we fan ka Beast uzo understand ukuthi ingomeni zakho uyakuxoxela istory sakhe. So mase kumele nihlale phansi nixoxana ngoba ususixoxile ingomeni. Yayizwe leyo nto but ke for umuntu mhlawumbe ongakazi awulalela music okanye ngakazi alalele ngaleyo ndlela because silalela ngeindlela engafani. Awusixoxele mfethu kabanzi ngawo uphuma kuphi wafunda kuphi sikupla sikhona.
uBeast uMalusi waKaNdlovu. Azalwa ePolyclinic kwaMashu. Akhulela eShamoya, kaG, kaF. From there ngaya eFletsini eDrobheni, from there ngaya ePinetown. So abantu bangazi at different stages of my life. Khona ama outs nje nokuthi uBeast fethu wasePinetown. Zife zakwamashi ngazohlanya. But in a nutshell uhambo lwami ngokuhlala luhambe kanjalo. uBeast abantu bamazi as umrapper. Which is very strange ngoba uBeast ushayo kid. But I mean I understand the music wami wonke based on i-rap even if ngikwenye beats so ngirap kuyikona ukuthi umuntu onjengawo usuke sediniwe. Akabe says ukuthi siyarapper. But I have a very huge passion for creativity as a whole. Abantu abaningi abazi ukuthi I'm also an IT guy. I'm also a graphics designer. In fact, I design a lot of graphics for a lot of artists and labels and so on. I'm also a songwriter. I also write for angithandi babiza my client, but I write for a number of people. Some gigs, songwriting, what's all even from major labels. Yo, I'm a businessman. I have a clothing brand.
Uzolunch show phezu kwalokho.
Yeah, that's another thing. I'm also an events organizer. Now, abantu abaningi abazi because maybe event yaBeastie, uBeastie uba kwi-lineup, not necessarily abe headliner.
Sure.
Yabo. If they are bigger acts than uBeastie, igama laBeastie nje lizoba lincane lapha. It's fine because the whole purpose is not to say, uBeastie uneshow. It's business.
Yeah.
It's an event, a franchise. It happens every year. Like, I remember the first event I did, 2013.
2013.
Yeah, we did a series of shows. We founded it in Sky Wonder initially. It was called Diamonds in the Dirt. And then we roped in a select play, which was part of the camp at the time. So we all contributed equally. But ngithi sayiqala no Sky Wonder because I remember the conversation. It's a garage at Pine Town and we were talking about how we want to do the show. But yeah, so that's me in a nutshell. I know kuningi because like I wear many hats. But yeah,
yabo nenye into Beastie Vetsori ukungena emlomeni ngithi mangicabanga le interview ngasho ngathi I so wish I can get a chance to unpack you ngendlela right because kulula uku-undersell umuntu onjengawo because you wear so many hats. And if umuntu angagcina focus kwinto eyodwa of which nazo zi-attractive, zi-interesting. Like for example, we can sit down for this whole hour and talk about the album because it's so amazing. Or maybe talk about the music career and forget about business. But then now, I'm underselling you mangenza kanjalo. Not unless then ngithi ke kunelinye ithuba esofika sihlale phansi sishaw part 1.
Part 2.
But ngifuna konke sik-unpack kahle one by one siqale konke. So uthando lokurapper lifica kuphi?
Ayilangifica ngisamncane. Isister lami uManu omdala was already into hip hop in the mid-90s. So she was older than me. I'm a youngster, like very young. Manu Lalelo Ali, Tony Tono, Keith Murray, Dead Prez came along those times. Obviously, Tupac and Biggie, there was the era, or Snoop Dogg. And nasekhaya F Buddha Matalo, lo mdala kakhulu beyilalela Luther Vandross. Then lo elandela yena wayilalela like gangster rap. So I was exposed. Yabo ekasi ngikhathi wave yo Tupac was huge. It was crazy. Bonke amabrazo anamakhepeni shower
Tupac.
So for me, it was like, this thing is so interesting. Like, how are they playing with words like that? And the ugogo, wayithanda ungihlayisa because ngangifunde esikoleni sabelungu ngisamncane. So ithanda ungihlayisa
imake nikuphi nikwamashu. Okay. Ufunde esiqonqeni. Yeah, because uzofuna sibuye kulapho yeah.
Asihlala la. Funda la. Angifundisa ilanga yabo every day because engafuni ukuthi ngilahlekelwe isintu yabo. And why uthisha back in the days, so I hear.
Yeah.
Manje she didn't realize, nami I didn't realize it. Lana I'm creating a love for words.
Yeah.
And how to put them and sengikwazi ukuthi ngipick up ama spelling error yabo lezo zinto.
Khona ku newspaper noma kwezinye izinto eziseceleni.
Noma yini.
Sure.
Like
but usu alert ukuthi there's
alert yabo. And then fast forward a few years nyana comes the phase ukuthi now I have my own music collection. And njalo mekudlala ingoma ze rap mase izophela kuba ne outro beat.
Sure.
And that's when the words started rushing into my mind. So mase kudlala le parts like awulayini bami man. And now I'm already a huge fan of hip hop. Ukhona Just Ice ka Metro FM late 90s.
Sure.
So esikoleni primary la, but I can't wait for Dead Prez because they dropped the song. It's bigger than hip Well, time alam nalo lithanda hip hop la.
Ne-time.
Yeah, my pops is actually a big Beast fan. Kule album his favorite song is Bag Ligo lo.
Which is track number 2.
It's crazy. But yeah, my love for the music came at that age and in that form. Obviously, with a huge influence, Kwaito was everything to us. It still is, in fact. That's how much of an impact it had. So now yo man, this is dope. I never ever wanted to do it.
Yeah. Ekhasi bakhona abanye abantu abayenzayo noma uwena nje kuphela okanye maybe nasesigela la usuka khona.
No. At that time, I don't make music at all.
Yeah.
I just
it was
listen
just enjoy
and it rushes in my
yeah.
head, and the way I could
Consume, yeah.
memorize ingoma zabantu, people were always like, "I wena it's something," yabo. But it was never ever my intention.
Yeah.
Ifuna ishayela isigele sibe nemali.
So ile nhlobo yabantu etholwa italent not chase italent layo.
Yeah.
Uqala nini ke manje ukuyibona ukuthi no siyayishaya lempahla? Si on.
Iqala
Cause iwuthula imibuzo uthi khona la uthi ayisiyayishaya lempahla. Bese
Yeah.
kukhona la so realize uthi no.
Lento bethazi yaqala ezuchuku kanjani. So because of the love of hip hop, we used to attend hip hop shows.
Yeah.
For years without ever even the slightest desire yokuba umrap.
Sure.
But ngibe nochuku ama-sci-fi come in hlephula lo wazithi yabona
Shaya freestyle noma ubhalile
I
vele.
used to freestyle kuphela at that time. I was like, yabo le tweni nawo mhla kwafika thina nocwalo sizidlalisela all over simash. Up until this one day, say when your house party in Newlands, Uzakwe has been public and it's a mask because it's my
session,
yeah,
yeah.
for like years. But mind you, says oh come on, but
Yeah.
so yeah, now K Master are the kings of the streets right now. Fair Newlands, the house party, la people of us tina, much, shada, shall we say from now. It's like so much.
That's ngibangene.
Shy. AK Master, ehlale lento kuyena. Take nomjito ofike lapha. Ewenze enye into lapha, yabo. So yaqala futhi relationship yami no K on a bad note ngoba i-position yakhe enokuthi abajwayela laba bachance yabo bazophazamisa olova yabo into kanjalo. I remember
Uyathuka maseke kuze ushaya into serious manje.
wayenokukhuluma ko Facebook nje
Sure.
like mina abo sengena ama hip hop beef angena umrapper mina. Kanti le out yami uPK ine handicam yabo. Ihlala ngirecord ama freestyle ithi phela ubhali ithi letho fanele sihlale sinayo yabo.
Sure.
Ngishaya. Si na ishaya IT vele. So si apply kaMasipala.
Should say in college.
Yeah, fresh
Okay.
out of college. Like
Okay.
Fresh out of college. Apply kaMasipala for in-service training, yabo. Start. Schola 1,500 stipend.
Sure.
Okay, I clean. Say box le mali obvious. Kanti ucela uPK uyayibeka le mali.
Yeah.
Omunye umchita waye senior kuthina esipanini kanti bane studio ne record label in fact where la ba recorda khona vele ozakwe o Abdusi
Sure.
o Questa amachita nje amaningi aqhamuka khona eDM Mid. So I approach le house if it's us let's ngeza uthi une studio if it's us let's outside it's yashaya so funa ukukhokha just ukuthi sikwazi ukurecorda. Akubhadeke lapha abuye sithi if it's na receipt if it's yabo. Tesoyenza la kuthiwa singarecorda 16 songs.
16
Mixtape leyo. Yabo.
over maybe isikhathi eside not maybe in one sitting.
Asina plan la. He's just saying mfethu
Access,
sengikhokhile.
yeah.
Like kade ngibuka ama video mfethu. Kusekhonto ekhona.
Sure.
Na phela singadlala sibone. So ngihambe ngilanda ama-beats o-Lil Wayne, yabo, Drake, obani.
Ayikho into ekuthiwa i-beat maker lapho okanye ama-beats enwaziyo enwathengayo.
Asinatwa. Sinetalente phela. Ayi bethu sishaya kanjalo ingoma. Ngihambe before se-DM ngihambe ngiyorekhoda kwenye outtime ekuthiwa uDli. Udli at that time naye sirekhoda phezu kwe-ironing board yabo. Rekhoda enye ingoma ekuthiwa iZulu Spit hayo.
Sure.
Ayi uDli yahlanya. Yo, what is this dog? Hey, bese ngine-demo manje.
Sure.
Lo Solomon lo. Akunalutho nale mpahla le. Fike nayo lapha e-DM meet. Ezihlanye lezi. Ithi yazini khona amajita esiwafonela azofika la azoshaya isigubhu. Kufonelwa uLast noTelaman. Yabo. That time now bayintwana nje. Siyintwana sonke yabo.
Sure.
Laba bakaze bavele. We're just trying this thing out.
Nabo nje kodwa bayiphethe le mpahla.
Ba blind.
Yeah.
Yo, ba blind. Like ba ahead of their time.
Yeah.
Now ulungisana umjito right at the studio e-DM into like uba sportsile ndlela yakhe. Phethe lezi intwana lezi. Ayisiqaleke manje sipheke. Sikhukha i-mixtape la. Lo 16 songs.
Sure.
Bese ngawushaya phela 16 songs. Yabo. Sikhiphe le mpahla.
Ima beast. Kontinge ngi-understand again. Uphuma kulo solo we-demo.
Yeah.
Uyongena kwi-mixtape ilento
Global Warming. Yeah. Lo solo let them show is one of the tracks.
Do you understand i-global warming ukuthi plan kangakanani? I think it justifies also the line ukuthi it was away of its time because le album even namanje mangase kuthiwe ngingazi ke wena. Mengase kuthiwe iya release manje. Because mina engarelate kakhulu nale album. I don't know. Ngifila kanjalo ngayo iyodwa ukuthi yayiplan. So for you to say i-demo to yona.
Yeah. Few weeks.
Crazy.
Few weeks.
Crazy because abanye amrapper phela okanye abanye abaculayo bayazama ba-release kube imama umuntu hlangana something.
It's shy. It's
Clean nje, fresh out of the
shake up. Shake up.
So i-recording yayo ishower maybe in 1 day or 1 week or iya-stretch on roots as and when makukhona abantu e-studio.
Probably about 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Well, because angithi angina material. So
Sure.
masithi session. Sifika ngiphethe lutho ngizozwa ama-beats mase ngiyabhala mase recorda yabo bhala record. And this was happening over weekends because it's a spanner.
Sure.
So a few weeks, about 3-4 weeks at max.
Do you take some of the tracks kuma-video noma ukukhumbula nje nokuzwa phezu kwe-beats nanokuthi vele kubu-rapper so I'm sure indlela yokudlala amagama ikhona engqondweni vele?
But i-rap ngilalela impilo yami yonke.
Yeah.
Yabo. So ama-techniques engiwabambile.
Yeah.
Mangingena e-studio nami or ngibhala mangishintsha ama-flow mhlawumbe ngicabanga uJada Kiss, ngicabanga uCassidy,
Yeah.
ngicabanga uPro Kid, ngicabanga uDouble HP yabo. Sonke leso skill set I always say mina uthi you can tell ukuthi umrap ulalela ba by the way they write.
Oh.
Yabo. Akulula ukuthi uthi no mina ngilalela uStock ithi no Pro Kid mase uqhamuza uskru yabo. Like there's to be
Icacela straight. Uzodlala lapha inezimajes ungazufana nabo uzodlala
exactly.
Because bengisazokubuza ke ngayo le ngoma le All Of ukuthi umuzwa lela beat lela i-beat lilodwa lizokudlalela ngathi jazz.
Yeah.
I'm sure ukuthi lela beat lilodwa lingadlala as track ingena ama lyrics.
Yeah.
So for you to make that decision yokuthi yazini athi siyingene nanzi flow nasi story.
Yeah.
Ngizama uku-understand lokho that is why ngibuza even i-writing process from ekuqaleni.
I know, yeah, it's just a matter of ukuthi ngilalele kanye or kabili or kathathu ashiyana nama-beats ukuthi yiphi ifike ithole indawo yokuqala yabo. But in most cases it's just a matter of applying your mind. Thole i-entry point uthi hayi mina nje personal mengatholi indlela yokungena siphelile ngoma.
Sijabule.
Akuzokusho phansi akushodi. It's always ukuthi ngifuna ukungena yabo ngendlela ezokwenza ukuthi umuntu angaskip.
No, ziyasha. So usese lokishini, uphume usuye college noma uphume usukwabamba ngaphezulu kanje high school
High school, like
kwaba ima
yeah.
usuphuma
So what
usuze
happened? Yeah, early high school, abazali bathenga iflat esithawu, but isigriza singafuni ngiyohlala esithawu.
Yeah.
So kunaleyo mpahla isithawu kasi. And then around high school, Pine Town.
Oh, okay.
Sengihamba ngishiya boat manje ngiyohlala permanent ePine Town kube lento ethi ama weekend yabo.
Suyavakasha.
Sekasi yabo yeah.
So awubanga neyinkinga vele lokushini as umuntu oqala ihip hop because phela uma uqala ihip hop elokushini ubonisiwe umrapper nana ubanga nalezo inkinga because vele ikufice kakhulu ususe college.
Yeah, nanokuthi istyle sami se rap abantu elokishini basibuka as uthi ngirepresenta bona vele.
Sure.
Like I tell ghetto stories.
Yeah.
And I try to tell them from the point of view yomuntu osase elokishini.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's the position I want to play. I want to be a voice.
Oh, so it was a conscious decision to say I want to be voice for those who are voiceless maybe baselokishini.
Yeah, if you listen to my music, like
Yeah.
Stay Walking Shano Stogie T.
Yeah.
You'll realize that I could have been a conscious rapper.
Showcase.
Yeah, bro.
Uh-huh.
If you listen to a song like from a rock bottom or where I'm just playing around in English words, you
words,
realize it's
He could have gone, he could have
Yeah.
taken this any other way.
Yeah, so all thanks to Gogo, I had the
Yeah.
ability to ukudlala amagama esiZulu
Yes, sure.
in a way that a lot of people might find harder
Yeah.
to achieve. Yabo. Yeah, so ileo mpahla.
What's your take then on the commercial hip hop? Because I think mina mangiyibuka umuntu orappayo onale ability leyo yokudlala ngamagama.
Yeah.
Kuba nzima ukuthi alalele commercial hip hop because kufila ngazi ukuthi akuyona into require effort etheni because
Yeah.
ukujumpa phezu kwebeat uhambe ngeflow yebeat kube ukuthi udlala ngamagama ambalwa. Do you respect it as a form of music or do you pick up lento ukuthi okanye waqala abanenkinga na ukuthi laba yangazi ukuthi
For me, it would be hard to look at it in any other way than business. Ngoba angithi I understand. So, ngiyazi ukuthi mangizwe ingoma yakho kurate and ngiyaqala ukulalela.
Yeah.
The first thing I need to do is go to your project.
Yeah.
Ngoba it might be a chance ukuthi it was intentional ukuthi wehlisa izinga ukuze accommodate a larger
The
audience.
masses. Yeah. Or of which that's what we find you doing kwezinye ingoma ukuthi
Yes.
you can just go commercial completely.
Yes.
Oh, it makes sense then.
Because
makes sense.
iphutha abantu abaningi abalenzayo elokuthi ufune ukuprova ukuthi uyarapper iproject yonke. Ungabisacabanga ukuthi kusafanele se-radio, kusafanele se-TV.
Hey, yabo manje usu emphasize amagama ka MT. Ukuthani ngadlala ngamagama kodwa still.
Yeah, it's iqiniso mfethu phela
Yeah.
ukurapper kakhulu is the sport.
Yeah.
But the business is to make hit music.
Commercial music, ama hits nan.
Yabo, like how long can your song last? Is it a classic? Can it last forever? Can radio play it 10 years from now?
Yeah.
Yabo. Mina, I'm fighting one of the biggest stations with ngiyanicela manje ngiyanicela. Ngicela nikhiphe manje le ngoma. Sengicela ngifile lezi ezintsha because manje njalo bengidlalela le station.
Kuzodideka le ngoma.
Yes, I appreciate. But ngiyadrop. And aniyifake lezi ngoma lezi. Sahleli lapha. But it's a good sign. It shows
Yeah.
which the music has staying power.
Sure.
Nama sets, some performance sets. Some perform more ghetto, some perform more hello. These songs, it gets in our minds. 8 years. I'm so ghetto.
And if it's a beast.
9 years.
Iphuma kwilokhu njani? Kwi-global warming.
No, yeah, we rock bottom.
Yeah,
I'm so
i-rock
ghetto.
bottom iqhamuka nini yona?
2016.
2016.
Yeah.
Ilento yona?
Global warming 2012.
2012.
Take a minute 2014.
Yeah.
Rock bottom
Cabanga
2016.
mfethu kodwa still. still because wonke lo ma album wonke uza ngomunye ilayini. So then decide nini ukuthi yazini mina ngiwumusician angiyona irap angeke ngikwazi ukunivumela ukuthi ningibhotlishe too ekubeni umrap and then hence we see you usungena kwi-gospel noSifiso Ncwane sikubona usungena nakumapiano futhi.
Vele nje ngena angikaze ngiyithathe as umrapper mina.
Okay.
So because of my love for music in general, at some point in my life ngangimixa nge-mix track
Yeah.
virtual DJ shy deep house engasuku phansi. Okay ukutshele ayithe wena kahle wena awunaso stock wena like bas zama ukuzenza okent sivula ama channel amaningi yabo. So vele umculo ngawuthanda in its purest form as umculo nje. I-rap is because of my ability to write rhymes to the beats yabo. So kwakuyinto more of a public perception ukuthi umrap umusha lapha eThekwini ayi lezi idudla zamasho
Ungeke ukuthi ushisa kanje singacategorize fast as umrapper because phela nabo bayashoda abakwazi ukusimela njengani.
Angaze ngiphike ukuthi
especially bomrapper abazofika bangene kwi-commercial scene bafit. I think eThekwini kwaba uwena no-Duncan nozakwe. Okay bakhona abanye but like oZulu Boy nabo Sean Gina but kukhona aba-realize i-commercial success njengawe no-Duncan nozakwe la sibona khona ukuthi hayi rap kushuthi ngiyakwazi ukuthi nisiphakamisele.
Ngathini mfethu ngiyayichaza kanjani le phahla ukuthi khona ukuthi uyazi ukuthi lento le ayibizwa kahle.
Okay.
But ngoba ngiya-understand ukuthi it comes from a good place.
Sure.
Athi ngayiphazamisa.
Okay.
Yabo. So I think nalo kwa-contributed to i-wave ukuthi
umrapper.
Yeah. Namanje umuthi.
So my question is, sorry dog, like what has been since uqalile bro and you coming from Durban, did they receive you nje? Young rapper, right? Because for sure, bro, it wasn't easy for you to just come out because you were saying you didn't come just because you wanted to rap. You wanted to prove to them that you can rap, yabo.
Yeah.
So did they receive you nje kahle?
Oh, blind, yo.
Sure.
Oh, ngakho show ada wakukhule Civic Center every June 16.
Sure.
Ekuthiwa Moment of Truth, MOT. Legendary hip hop show yase KZN. From day one, ngabekwa esihlalweni sobukhosi namanye amakhosi. Wathiwa nje phetha manje nandawo yakho lapha. From day one, like from the first time ngisaqala ngisanamahloni ukuperform, I was like fully booked at these daytime shows. Hip hop. Yabo. Trying to find my way. Aphela nje 2 months ekuthiwa hayi upista aperform ekugcineni.
Ha, headline phela manje.
But it was fine. Going excited about show yabo.
Yeah.
But you building a name. But acceptance was wild.
Yeah. So I was struggling with spend almost isikhathi sakhe esiningi ePinetown. Kamashu buzungasazi kakhulu and then now they're like halo mchita uzenza irap lasekazi but
No.
ePinetown.
I-address eyashintsha ngo-Pinetown. Mangivuka mengiyobloma. Bloma elokishini vele.
Sure.
So it's not like ngasuka emehlweni. Kwabe lento uthi sengihlala ePinetown but ngihlezi ngikhona elokishini. Akekho umuntu ongathi ngisakwazi. Hlezi kanje. Even namanje. Hlezi.
So when you transition from now being a rapper to commercializing yourself now, there's the odd cats, as they call them, yabo. Are they not now saying best usilahlile or isn't it kanjalo or manje? What's their reception of that? Mhlambe uyizwe mayikhulunywa emgaqweni. How are they now coming to you? How do they see you as ubest manje? Or sesukile kwi hip hop? I think kakhulu yenze at the time where now igqom is starting to be popular in SA, or maybe it was popular at the time, and it's sort of like shift you from fighting for a hip hop and you seem like someone who's moving to this thing might because you're a trend or something like that? What's the word on the streets when that happens?
Oh, it was very, very, very strong in the beginning. Like, there's this point in time where even your engagement with social media got deeper to an all-time low.
Yeah.
Because it's a bumper.
Yeah.
Because all at that time, let's say I had about 100 and something thousand on Facebook, example.
Yeah.
Bonke labantu abe hip hop.
Yeah. And now you are trying to sell something new to them.
No one to defend me.
rap, I'm sure.
Yeah, well, so they all just turned their backs.
Yeah.
Everyone was just like, if it's
My shield.
my shield. Yeah, well, the only thing that defended my name
Yeah.
was the success of the transition.
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
Yeah.
So as now Bumper, everybody's like, yo,
And then Bumper was a big song, eh?
So full of 150,000 no musha man. So that debate and our comments I Tyson is it a temple mchita. So my life but it was strong.
Yeah, it is.
It was very strong ukuthi nje lo mchita lo. And kunale narrative ethi uyasilahlwa uyabona mfethu ukuthi we are fighting as a genre.
Yeah.
Like fighting who, bro?
We're fighting, God.
Like who are we fighting? We are Africans, first of all.
Yeah.
Most cultures in Africa, 99% in fact, 100% of native cultures in Africa have dance as a huge area or part of that culture. We dance in different ways, but the one common language we have is dance.
But God, I think I can try to interpret the fight when I pissed, if I may. Yeah, bro? There's a huge market in underground hip hop in South Africa.
Yeah.
Which is then categorized as rap.
Yeah.
Because most of the time we are not trapping the underground. And they are still fighting for their space with commercial industry.
Yeah.
And with this success about Pro Kid, you draw more attention and you gain more fans about WHP. But now there are very few people abakwazile ukuthi bakwazi ukuachieve futhi leyanto ke njengoba bengenza umzekelo ngawe nozakwe noDuncan. But there's a huge mfethu uma ungayi manje kushina sekhona ama rap sessions uma ungayi kuphi and they are still passionate about what they do. But akaka click kubona ukuthi mfethu ungaba umrapper kodwa awushayile impahla commercial bona basa believe ukuthi uPro wakwazi ukuyenza umrapper nathi siyeza. I think that's where they're coming from. Ukuthi if it's dancing ama representative anjengani angiso umrapper pista ngendawo kwi-rap but I've been a fan of ama rap. Do you get what I'm saying? So I'm trying to give you that perspective to say maybe ngokokwabi qhamuka lapho to say because even noma uma ungathi wenza hip hop competition elokishini uzofica befuna ukurapper most of them bazodlala ngamagama they won't try benza izinto ezicommercial kumanje la bebona khona I think manje sebenayo idea. But if you go deep on TikTok, you can still see how much it does a believer with rap, which is about keep a look shit. I think that's that.
And you're very right.
Yeah.
It conflicts like Kamuakon.
Sure.
Everyone is to blame in the ecosystem of the local hip hop scene.
Sure.
Because into susa rapper who is seen to be successful from that area in Dlala.
Okay.
It's the misconception. You look rich, but you're not. But you can be.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, if you try another way. Now, why are you not rich? Because your core audience wants to share music privately. Go WhatsApp, keep na keep. Your core audience doesn't come to events unless it's a pet center. You can take the biggest hip hop act in the country now, based on stats, based on whatever. Umfake ground in langakubo. And tell me ukuthi uzogcwalisa yini lapho ngehip hop kuphela. Yabo, ngakubo. Ngeke. Because the average hip hop listener in South Africa does not have a monetary contribution. As will engage on social media, they'll follow you, they'll make sure to vunyiwe, they'll talk about you in spaces in your absence. They will make sure with uvunyiwe with enjoy a game. Up until sekufanele khishwe imali. I'm telling you, bro, any virus enzima and angibablame laba bamanje ngoba isuka kude vele. Thina isikhathi sabe game in saqala uwitness akudala. That's why my hip hop shows ngenwa ngo 30 rand or 50 rand. But once what took in, saqala manje clip of 50 entrance. It's the same guy will be at that concert. People also tend to think it's khuluma ngamapool angafani. No, it's the same pool. It's the same people. Abanje bakusegcwele kwi fact.
Ibona ngqo.
Uzothola abantu abane album yami abayinqwabe kule audience.
When you come and perform and they sing along, they know your songs.
Exactly.
Kodwa masoba busy eceleni.
Singasho ukuthi bayikene imuli.
Yeah, exactly. It's so tricky ngoba like njengoba uzwe ngiqala kanjani everyone's to blame. I'm to blame for allowing myself to move away in order to seek greener pastures. But you're to blame for making me do that. Because manje it's Chef Beast, everybody I know we're in but it only hits top 10 on my iTunes charts ngosuku lokuqala. Yabo.
Emva lapho zonke eceleni.
I posted lapho screenshot 301,000 first day. Yeah, it was the first day of first streams. But my two ebuka manje. You see ukuthi ayihambanga nje. Must keep i-chart yakhona, i-trajectory yehle. Yabo. Maseksala, the ones that really listen full time. Laba bayithanda nalaba bekade beyinyusile. But they don't stay. Yabo, they don't stay. Mase beyitholile, bazoyishare amongst each other. Yabo. Bese ungayiposta manje ngathi Friday I have a surprise EP. I bet you my bottom door. Come comment, khona ivele ingene ngenumber fethu ozoyithola kuqala ke angisendelela. Afake number yakhe publicly on a page and more than 500,000 followers.
Ukukhombisa ukuthi asidinge eceleni asidinge la.
Le mpahla. Omunye akuncome genuinely. Athi yo mfethu peace yo yangivuselele as everything ngivula le ngoma at screenshot. Bhaliwe lapha za.downloads.
Hey mfethu.
ban.chefbeast.
Sayilande emadala side.
Genuine post, yes. But uyithole
eceleni.
Lapho uthaka mina ngino. Ara post on Instagram.
Hey, but
Pandemic is serious.
I would argue and say, hey, seeing how hip hop is doing right now, and seeing one of the name, or maybe most of the names that are currently relevant in the hip hop scene, including yours, I'd say being versatile like you are, I mean the name likes of Honesty C or MT, Casper, they've also went and did other genres. But because if ngaphandle kwe amapiano kuphela, but Afrobeats bayenzile nabo at some point, Casper did amapiano. So I wouldn't say wrong or mhlampe abantu manje. I think it's a matter of realizing which one ufunani and understanding the business behind which the genre would not be as relevant as it was mhlampe 10 years ago mhlampe when you started, but at some point now uyayibona ukuthi mina ngiyafuna uba yilo beast oyilo muntu at one day yabo. So angeke ngikublame to that level ukuthi ngithi hey beast wabalahla kanjalo, but now you had to do what was right at the time for you to be.
Mase kuyibeka kanje akwazi kumblame yabo mase kuyichaze
as
kanje
someone oseceleni yabo because
uvela ubona
ufuna ukubabuka abantu babacabangane noba understandise ukuthi sometimes phela ngeke bakhulume yonke into amajita yabo.
Showcase. No, true that. Because if ubuka ama spaces like thina singakunoma yipi province, any town, walk into any major studio and we're welcomed.
Yeah.
Why? Because when now Master KG is Zimbabwe that week. Oh, Port Besina, East London, Cabs of Cape Town.
Yeah.
What is taking me to all these places? Is it really Chef Beastie or is it Timza Say Envy?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
and it also and also because I've also met you in camps, yabo.
Yeah.
And in camps it's not only abantu abenza hip hop, and in camps where even akwenziwa music or hip hop at all.
Yeah.
But I also find you there, yabo. So I think just to stay relevant now, was you stay afloat every time. I think iyasebenza nalokho.
Yeah, definitely.
Mhlawumbe umunye umuntu hip hop ungamtshela owenza hip hop mhlawumbe ekas oqhamukayo ungam-advise kanjani entweni kanjalo uthi as much as sithanda game but also realize ukuthi there's a business behind this thing.
Faith.
Would you emphasize that point?
Definitely. I always do to those that I get a chance to.
Yeah.
It's in faith. Do what you love. There's nothing wrong with it. But don't forget, at the end of the day, you need to put food on the table.
Yeah.
And if you beggar, how many rappers really make real money from rap? It's just a handful. A couple of niggas.
Yeah.
But how many rappers make money in general? There's a lot because they branch out. Yabo, usijavo ehleze ngitshela ethi mfethu. Yabona ungasuki kulento yenzayo. Don't ever let go of this cross genre thing. Buya CP hip hop project and then continue. Yabo. Kuyimanje mfethu ngifile ngathi it's iqimbile. Uyophela unyaka ngikhipha ingoma ye dance. But umnandi because rap. I've been making a lot of hip hop music, so kumnandi rap. I love it. There's nothing that can take me away from writing rap music. But manje, I really need to drop some dance because that's what keeps the phone ringing.
ukuthi afethu siyakucela phesheya siyakucela eSlondon siyakucela eJozi
Yazi ukuthi ngiqala ukuphuma eSouth Africa ngaphuma ngamapiano. Amapiano ngashaya sekuna how many years in the industry? How many awards? But I had never ever I could never call myself an international artist.
I know. I think that's a fair point. Kwilento kulama because ngiyengeza ukuthi i-album le ubuplan ukuyistretcha in 3 parts.
Yeah.
I think from a conversation like one can already anticipate good. I thought it would be hip hop through and through.
No. Each Chef Beast is a full hip hop series.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Then was a drop and nigga dance music in between. Normal is it was a stretcher ama release dates.
Dance ayihlupha ayifani ne hip hop ayidinga amaplanet it dance mayabamba nje izayihambela I've never had a PR rollout for any dance song.
Yeah.
Any like
wait ikhona ingoma yakhe dance song ngeke ya flop engenzanga kahle. I doubt.
Well, mhlawumbe within the project nokuthi ukwenza kahle kuwe uthi jaja kanjani.
Yeah.
But like I dropped Mix Breed 2021 2022.
Yeah.
Le ayine Pepereza.
Sure.
So because it had Pepereza, Pepereza drew everyone's attention to Mix Breed. So even when you look at the numbers, all the numbers are good. Ilento isho ke ngedance uthi like abantu bayilalela. Yabo when usingile base yashiya kanjani. Bayiphazamisa.
Izozenzela umsebenzi wayo.
Yeah, then masufuna ukuthi like we push it fully, then you have like a proper team, proper plan behind it. Then you'll see crazy numbers. In terms of saying with something like 8 times plat.
Yeah.
No push
PR run,
whatsoever.
no nothing, yeah.
In fact, kwasekudluliwe kuyona sekhishwa ijob leno Josiah.
Sure.
And then I suggested to Udada, who was Zamaroto's manager at the time, like, Fana, we can't just shy away from this song. He's like, I know the song is losing steam, so we're moving on. I mean, it's as in, I shoot an video.
Yeah.
And then we flew to Joburg. It's a shy video. Late November. Video drops mid-December. I'm a kick as scarce. Calendar. Pama. For 2 years. 2 years. In teams are saying, we say.
And aziphumi nje ngoba ziphuma amapiano vela la. Kumapiano kwakuphuma kwasandrothwa every Friday.
Can I give you a crazy stat? Ipepereza to date has done more numbers than Hello. Exactly.
You lie.
I'm telling you, now I'm gonna check even on Spotify, one of the platforms.
Yo.
But across all the
platforms.
Yeah.
That's my point.
Yeah.
Yabo. That's the point, Uguti. How do we define Lokhita Loku?
Oh, okay.
And which audience really engages?
Yeah.
Yabo. Crazy.
Do you have something, Shepard?
With your, like, what I'm trying to hear from you, bro, is like the coming up album.
Yeah.
Saying it's just gonna be rap.
Yeah.
One time.
Chef Beast, yeah. The part one has dropped already.
All right.
Yeah.
So does it mean now uzofokaza kulabo 30 rand? Uzospera lezi repa 30 rand. And then hell say lezi the number ubal. So don't you like see that maybe izolimaza wena ekugcineni?
No, for akusafani phela. Well, for me, it's already a thing of Uti. Regardless of the genre I drop, sekune fixed rate, because I'm not only bringing this to the table. I've put in the work. Everybody already knows. It's I make feel pissed. I'll showcase it. So, but to answer the other side of your question, Chef Beast, more than anything, I did it for my love for hip hop and for the hip hop lovers. It wasn't a thing, Uzi. We need to hit 1 million with this. It's not that type of project. Yes. In fact, at this stage of my career, I don't think I still look for those type of things. Yeah, but now it's more about, let's drop music. Let's do the features. Let's stay relevant, so we can pack our shows. Because now we've seen where the real money is.
Yeah.
It's not in the million streams. Trust me.
Yeah.
It's not there. The streams, there's nothing there. That's a PR exercise.
Yeah.
It's nothing.
Do you think the use of the likes of TikTok has played a role in maybe gaining popularity with Amayama sound than hip hop? Because I think I hardly see hip hop artists using TikTok like that.
Yeah.
Because now with the other genres, they now create your challenges, your dance challenges, and doesn't take anjalo. Do you think TikTok can play that role for abantu abenza music fan wakho hip hop?
It can, but the tricky part about hip hop challenges,
Yeah.
would see, where do you slot it in?
Yeah.
Do you say they must rap your verse word for word, or do you say they must rap their own verse, duet style, or do you go Casper's roots and create a dance?
Yeah.
Yeah, but so it's tricky because hip hop now, I find
Yeah.
for a person who's like a lyricist, it's very hard to find a sweet spot to create a challenge. Can't you with dance? You just need that part, that 30 seconds, and then it's gone.
Uyizwele wena ngoba ezinye zizo 30 seconds anti wona omnandi.
Exactly.
Emva kwalapho usuthenwe
Dog, I mean, I have songs I've never heard in my life, but I word for word. I've never heard the entire song. Like, must use a clap
Mase
here.
yaphuma.
Yeah, like, come on, guy, I'm
blood
two
30
shoes.
seconds.
What that's I walk on my challenge.
Yeah, was.
So like, so I get out of my challenge like, hey, we are still up here, like, oh yes. Yeah, but the TikTok does have a huge influence on the turn that the industry took, and even the introduction of new artists, new
Tony
music.
and
Yeah. And then you'll find Uzi Abanye then struggle to keep up with that pace because this thing caught a wave.
Yeah.
But at the end of it all, the wave is gonna crash. And
yeah.
what happens then?
Yeah.
So it has a good and a bad side.
Yeah.
How does one structure an album, Beast?
I believe there are different ways. But Mina personally, I like to keep things relative.
Okay.
Uguti, also very balanced.
Okay.
I'm very conscious of ngathi sesinengoma zamachita kuphela.
Sure.
Like amasisteri, what are they gonna find in this album? The hip hop heads, like laba bathi ngilyricist. Do I have some hard bars for them, some conscious stuff? Do I have metaphors, entendres? Do I have lines they'll only catch 3 years later? And then what about the kids that can't process that much lyricism? Is there something they can sing along to? And I always test it with my son.
Oh, sure. Kuba simbona nje
Yeah.
simletha kule ngoma le.
And then
Uyibhalelile vele
Yes,
lapha noma
cool.
umbhalele wena.
co-wrote.
Okay.
So uyakuthanda, he's very inquisitive. Uyakuthanda ukuhlala nomalume wakhe uFilament Beats. Ngihamba sothi ngiphumile bengibuye is like, phethe enye ihook yalwaziste. Yabo, so he's a very, very like up-tempo kid. So nginokutesta ngaye yabo, and we'll play the whole album. Uzombona ngengoma azoloku ebuya kumina after school like, Dad, sengibambile. It's okay, nayi-ke intwana, oh. Yeah, we hit the nail on the head. Oh, like it's well balanced. But like we structure in a way which is balance, and then what makes it seem even more structured
Yeah.
is the layout.
Okay.
Is how you put the songs, because it's very easy to take a bunch of nice songs and say it's an album, but it sounds like a compilation. So also how it flows, how does it evoke emotion?
Yeah.
Is very important.
Isiqale kahle phansi bese siyasikhuphula ke
Yeah.
spirit.
Omunye umuntu ufuna uyiqala with the bang.
Yeah.
True. Sithi isuka nje. Ring ding ding.
So then that's what inspires then ukuthi sithi singena kule track number 2.
Yeah,
Oh,
because I want to start it,
Yeah.
and then gradually hundreds. Then zokushaya, then fucking.
Hayi ekugcineni ukuthi hayi no azisho sani. Osani ngicalisela ke bafana baba.
Close it off.
Yeah. Le ngoma le yavele is it based on true story? Noma.
Which one?
All of.
Yeah. It is. So it's
Hayi
based on a
ungayazi
true story.
usezozilalelela asize story, yeah.
It's based on a true story, but in a way, you reflect to everyone who's in the same situation.
Sure.
Because it happens. I mean, baning abantu who have an opportunity to better their lives, but babu said remove izinto from their past. Yabo.
Yeah.
It's a sad reality.
Yeah.
Baningi all over abahlele ejele manje.
Yeah.
Ngama decisions abangani babo.
Yeah.
Yabo. It wasn't even them. They weren't even in the planning. But le banje wena uyiscout njalo.
Oza la
Some
check
way.
around in, yeah.
Oh, uyabanda unalutho asahambe.
Ayunge.
Uhambe kanti siwambe unomphela.
So as for you, though, like if you kept the same friends from your childhood Pine Town or Kamash?
Yeah. Me, majority of the people who I was cool with, I'm still cool with.
Yeah.
And my immediate circle is also, they'll tell you stories in Saintwana. Yeah, like I'm a big fan of loyalty.
Sure.
Yeah, so if you're that type of person, by default, you'll keep people for longer. Because where there's disloyalty, scare.
Sure.
Yeah.
But how do you balance the industry friends?
With industry friends, it's always easier. Because in a common denominator, your creativity, it's not something is exciting. It's like umdlalo webhola make join team enja. It doesn't take long for him to click.
Yeah.
Because sihlangene into esithandayo. Creatives like all of us in this room, it's easy for us to click. You don't have to know each other for long because it's in a common denominator. Akufani nomuntu oyi complete stranger. And then so it's nizwana gogwegazi like nje niyazwana but anginalutho passionate ethile eniyisherayo. Then you have to watch other aspects. But yeah. Industry friends.
Yazi ngisastake lapha when you speak of loyalty and speak of that transition where then uyenza kanjani ke la decision yokushiya abangani baselokishini laba benza izinto ezirong and then mase uye ufocus more on because I think nabantu abaningi bastaka lapho bis ba ile loyalty lene benza ukuthi babe loyal even to izinto ezirong.
Wena ungidonsa ungibuyisela empilweni yobumnyama sengiphumile is disloyalty.
Angiyiboni nje ngempilo yobumnyama mina indlela esiphila ngayo.
That's you angisi. Nami mina lo.
Yeah.
So in my eyes when you're a disloyal person.
Okay.
So
ubona kanjani?
Fanele ngikususa.
Because ikhona umuntu okwisituation yakho njengamanje bayamdonsa but because of uloyal ebanganini bakhe then he feels that
and when I was still cause ugo uza no cheesy.
Yeah.
Esikhule sonke lokushini siyakubona hamba lo mshita vele ubamnandi kwesakhe. Yabo. So manje akakwazi ukuthi avele nje ashiye kanjalo.
Ukuthi fethu mina like mangitholile ithuba ngiyakwazi ukuyichaza position yami.
Yeah.
So nomba ongangizela ngomqondo ukuthi nxa wena umchazela ukuthi why.
Yeah.
Angizwe futhi. Yabo. Because and correct akekho umuntu osempilweni yobumnyama ongekho aware ukuthi impilo yobumnyama.
Yeah.
You think so?
I know so.
Bayazi.
Ama conversation masaxoxa sekubuya la kubuywa khona kuyashiya ukuthi hey office
khona impilo engcono la khona ama greener pastures kodwa khona la sikona
as much as ikhona uzwe kuthiwa ayikho umuntu onothando njengesigebengu. Yabo. Because who aware ukuthi
at any time
uthando lubaleka kangakanani.
Yeah.
Yabo. Mayengaluzwa ekulobu umnyama uswe aware
ukuthi hayi
usebumnyameni. That's why umuntu wakini meboshiwe ehleze nje fethi noma ungangiphathelanga lutho fethi noma ungangibona
ozovela
uzongivuselela umoya aware ukube akukho omnyama lapha ngabana ndawo nxa fethi sekhaya elikhulu hayi khona hamba uzwe uyabuka amanye ama podcast akhava lezi izitori uyabona amachiti uthi hamba ezwe ukuthi no man no
kumnyama ngempela sadidekile. Is it luck then to spot that thing noma ukuthi uyibone kuseli ukuthi hayi le hayi?
Yeah, it's a bit of luck, self-awareness, sometimes intelligence.
And the exposure as well, because then you are someone who are exposed kwezinye izinto. And nempilo uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi akunezinto ezingcono kunalezi.
Yeah. Bakhona mfethu abantu aba aware ukuthi basebumnyameni bafisa ukuphuma but abaphumi ngoba banayo enye option.
Fair point. Yeah.
Akakaze plus italent ayenalo kwakuyibhola sewalitifiza ngeyobisi and again aware ukuthi ngeke isachusha
ngoba sengenziwa no2
akekho ngazi buka akekho ngazi
so then bona mase bekufuna ukubuyisela then ibona ka ba disloyal
bona bayicabangela lento abahlangene ngayo hayi ngoba bethi bafuna ukufaka wena engcupheni iyodwa mission la Uthi sibuye nalento esiyifunayo.
Kuze sibuye na kumele silandele.
Dinga wena.
Yeah.
Kodwa manje wena usekho la
Into
Einstein wethu.
ongayisho ukuthi ba selfish.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Have you ever had like a friend or someone that says, you deserve ukuthi abe la ukhona or la ukhona ngenxa yakho?
Please come again?
Have you ever had someone
Yeah.
okwaziyo from Tuka
Yeah.
othi nje uyadeserve bese ukushana nawe ukuhlala la lesitulo ehlezi kusona or la ukhona ngenxa yakho?
Athi ngizama ukumchazela. Ikhona le nto ukuthi kube khona people who claim that they made us.
Yeah.
Okanye abafila ngazi ukuthi kule position okuyona kumele kube yibona but bafaka wena kuyona.
Oh.
Yeah. Kuyenze ikhona in case kanjalo kuwena khona umuntu kanjalo kuwena no it has been just clear as. I think it's also that thing which have you seen or tasted the envy coming from that side?
Ngathini mfethu I'm sure ukhona yabo. Abantu nje mfethu banjalo. But no one has ever come to the forefront. I claim it vocally or publicly or to me nje in any form. Or anyone close to me okwangitshela. But judging from nje nature yabantu in general and other experiences I've come across, ngine sure showcase ohlezi ukhona umuntu ofile ngathi
Yeah.
yeah.
Ngathi uyamkweleta we.
yabo. Yo, I wish a nigga would. Oh. Ngomchazelo usayengekho sidle uqhumbhatha. Ekuhambeni.
Sekefuna ukuclaima manje akwasiki. Ayihambi kanjalo. Bethu then I think mhlambe we can touch on lama album amanye awu2 angeka phumi because I can say I can clearly conclude kule album ephumile ukuthi you happy ngomsebenzi owenzile i-reception in as much as ungekho happy ngayo but I understand ukuthi kusukela kuphi.
Yeah.
Then does that mean ukuthi we change the strategy for the two albums noma nje because we understand ukuthi culture ikanje then sizophusha kanje?
No. We'll always try to do better.
Yeah.
As much as it's not the primary focus.
Okay, yeah.
Ukuthi number. But vele selecting ngoma ze Chef Beast.
Yeah.
We have tons and tons of songs.
Yeah.
That we chose from, and then we left some bigger guns.
Okay. To say very ngoba start.
Very start.
No very start and even
So we still have some music that has potential to do very well, better than the songs you've heard. Yabo. And then say add some features. Yabo. I love that.
I know, get understand. Are you excited? When are we expecting the main?
Main. I don't have a release date.
Yeah.
But the aim was to drop is 3 this year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I know this video perfect.
Ngifuna ukubuza umbuzo seceleni nje kancane. What do you believe in like in life? Like laws of attraction, God, ancestors, what do you believe in?
Yeah, sure.
All 3 of those. Yeah, I'm a very strong believer in God. I'm a very strong believer in Amadlozi. I practice cultural activities in Kaya and in my personal space. And I am a huge believer of what we call the inner matrix, your laws of attraction, the energy fields, and how you harbor and harvest and yeah.
Okay, so for someone who's in the space, would you say mhlambe izinto zenzeka ngenhlanhla noma mhlambe izinto sokwayithandazela wena before izinto ohamba wayekhaya wayemsamo wayocela uthi ngiyacela ukuthi impilo ibe yile ndlela eyona for someone mhlambe ongandazi because abantu baqhamuka endaweni engafani yabo.
Yeah.
Omunye uzothi funeka uyocela omunye uzothi masucelile sekwenzeka funeka uyobonga yabo. Do you also do those things or uyahamba uthi ngoba sekwenzakalile it's fine, let me just pray about it
On to
and
the
be
next
thankful.
one.
Yeah.
Ngiyacela mina.
Yeah.
And I do believe ukuthi most of the results and things that I've seen in my life are a result of my practices and my praise and nokucela kwami nenkolo yami.
Yeah.
Mainly because I saw a shift in my life at a certain point after I started doing certain things.
Yeah.
And it was a significant shift.
Yeah.
And khona ke practice nokwenziwa kuyisithi ave random
Yeah.
upita nje.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Baqala.
And then thought there was a consistency in something watila nayo, and then there's the consistency in its absence.
Yeah.
So that can't be luck.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mina ngibuza lo mbuzo because I have a follow-up question, right?
Yeah.
So just as a much it over say xoxa niyabona ukuthi umuntu mase successful wonke umuntu uzoqhamuka sethi I know. Usejoinile, you sold your soul. Ngifuna ukubuza mhlawumbe ubhisi ba understand. Udayiswa phi leyo?
I have ngiyafisa ukubona lo meshet now. Like now we
So this is funny yabo. Bese bethi hayi usudayisile, dayise ngesoli.
I don't get it.
But into inkinga ukuthi in this day and age social media with abantu mhlawumbe ama-musician you can see them working hard bayawashaya ama-live bayashaya ama-performances ubone ukuthi umuntu gig isonto lonke omunye akalali so then i-conclusion ekanjalo kusho ukuthi uyidrawa ekuthenini kwindlela athola ngayo ama-gig not kwi-effort ayifakayo because still basafaka i-effort it's not like any other guys obona sokuthi umuntu noma epost uhlezi neposta akaposta esebenza lo kodwa unemali
and uyaposta njalo wenza umusic uyaposta ukhipha mase kuthiwa no usujoin i-cults
Kodwa
ijoinwa
kanjani?
Thina iculture siyazi ukuthwala.
yeah
Yabo, and umuntu othwele siyambona.
ukuthi hayi wena
Yeah.
hayi asikusoli ngoba asikusola mfethu siyakubona mfethu ngiphi bathi
Bethu hey lezo impahla ziqhamuka kakhulu from i-Western culture.
yeah
Yabo. Mase zi-influencer ke nangapha ukuthi hayi usuhambile wawudayisa ngomphefumulo. I understand the direct translation yale ukudayisa
udayisa
ngomphefumulo.
umphefumulo kanjani
Oh, that's wild business.
kuthi naphesheya basuke bacula kakhulu ngale zinto I think basebanje obusha
Yeah. Kwaba ne-influence amongst
Yeah.
ama-locals. Angisho ukuthi I-exist, angikwazi ukuphawula into engingayazi.
Yeah.
But engikwazi ukuthi angikaze ngiyi-witness.
yeah there's never been a time la kuzothiwa khona sekuthiwa kunama-record labels aku-offerisha khona ukuthi hayi if ungajoyina le nto le then impilo yakho izoba on
Yo, i-risk engaka from the label's perspective.
Cabanga.
Khona nje umuntu ngempela wena kuvalele.
Uyawazi manje.
asidayisele
At least we were speaking about how difficult it is to jump from, to transition from layer rap, conscious and lyrics, nama-lyricist, nani, to le commercial, yabo. Mhlambe for someone ophuma kuyona leyo mpilo kanjalo, usu-grand, bakubuka ukuthi uBeastie wenze kanjani.
Yeah.
What is it now? Mthithi use-grand, yabo. Abanye impilo yakithi i-conclusion bayithatha from
Kunjalo,
lapho.
yeah, true.
Yeah. So as uBeastie, ukwaba khona umuntu othi ufuna ukwenza ingoma nawe and you turn it down.
Yeah.
You have.
Yes, but I ngendlela erude.
okay
Yeah, it's like I like to be honest in with ngoma le ngathi I don't think it's the right song to collaborate with me on. Yabo. Mhlawumbe masingazama enye.
yeah
Or ayitse wena wangidisa wena.
buma kumina go on
Option kuyikona it's not a lot of people have dissed me, but
yeah
to be honest, mina ngiyakuthanda to collaborate, but my deal breaker is the sound. Like, does it sit?
yeah
Feeling nami ngilalele ngizwe ukuthi I want to be part of this.
awunayo option yokuthi afethu ngiyayizwa le mpahla ozanayo how about ukuthi mina ngiyibona ngathi singaba grand soba uthuka impahla kanje
Yeah, nale
push back ukuthi hayi no sigibela ngala sigibele kahle
yeah, nale option khona nenye sipana kuyona manje. But bona it was a paying feature.
sure
So kwabe lento uthi I feel yazini asirecord yale ndlela yabo. And then asibenzele snippet of how we think
We should do this.
it should sound in order for it to see better success. Because
damn.
sometimes wathola ukuthi umuntu unayo power yokureacha, unayo influence rather ukuthi afinyelele kuwena, and then unayo power yokuthi asimfethu ngicela ukuyikhokhela full fee.
Yeah.
Sure. Now, do I want to jump on a wax song for the money? No, I want the money though. So let's see how we work it out. Let's give you an option. You should type it in as
Sure.
judging from your experience, we're not perfect, but we feel like
This ingasebenza le. Ile nto nje busumfaka umlozisto kwingoma zakho uyambona njengomuntu ofuna angene because ngizama uku-understand ukuthi uhalela ukumkhulisa ngendlela ukuthi iphupho lakhe akaqhubeke nalo noma kube ukuthi une-influence kwinto aziphuphayo.
uLwazisto uyayithandela, uyi-entertainer. Yabo, he's that kid. Before we even found this rap thing yakhe, Ulwazi is the kid ezomesenta.
Sure.
Crack jokes, he's witty. Dada, what's up? This guy. Ile ntwana, he's that guy. So, I didn't introduce him to this. I had nothing to do with it. In fact, even Iskuta Baba, I only did that cover, because he asked me to do it.
Ukuthi sibangene Jam, I think I have something la.
Skutanyana. And they're like, okay, sharp, so it's a tune. But I in that indlela a cutthroat ngayo, I wouldn't waltz him in.
Yeah.
Getting him keep if he really wants to when the age is right. But I would never say, especially with his IQ level at his age, he's showing promise. Ukuthi usangaba inoma yini. Yabo.
Ume ngena which side ongamphushela kulona? Ume ngena, especially let's say mhlambe asithi entertainment industry singayi ngoko music.
Yeah.
Do you push him more business side or that front end side? Because we are tempted to see abantu, especially mesi basho ukuthi sikhalela ukuvela.
Yeah.
Kanti siyazi ukuthi no magic ngala, then usungavelanga.
I think he would thrive in the back end.
Yeah.
He'd shine in the front,
Yeah.
but he would thrive in the back. Hlanphile. Academically, like.
Yeah.
And lezi igele ungayithatha kancane mfethu yabo mekuthiwa siza ingane senze homework baleka sibali. Lezi intwana zifunda ezinye izinto manje. Yabo manje if ekwazi ukuthi comprehend le nto engisibe ngiyibuka I'm like grade baka nto manje. Lethe mina ngeze ka grade 8 mos.
Sure.
Labantu bayishaya ko grade 5, grade 6 manje lezo zinto yabo. So for him to thrive at that level, at that age, like it shows, he has a chance of being something way more significant than.
Like, bro, you're touching on something that is really powerful, and I like the fact that something better than what you've been exposed to, you know. So for me, like, how important it is to be a present father, especially in this day and age, as a black man growing up in South Africa who comes from Bamashu to Pinetown. How important it is to be present as well.
I don't think you can ever put it in words. Into crucial ngendlela exa ukwenza, especially in this day and age. Izinto esiyibonayo, izinto ezenzakala every day. We're always posting something new that's horrific, unthinkable.
Yeah.
Into ibuza, why does someone have to be in this situation because of someone else? And then you'll find, Uzi, if you go down the line, kune absence ethile, eyashiya le void, yabo, creates a monster. umuntu anganembezo anazwelo. Outside of that, you can be absent and then your child is subjected to abuse. Yeah, well, there's a lot of things I can mention to emphasize the importance of being a present parent, not even present father. Because now my old lady, even to boy childs.
Is it something to fight for as a father, since sometimes kuba nzima kwabanye ukuthola access yengane? Is it something that we encourage ukuthi umuntu akayilwele noma kungathiwani mfethu, as long as upresent enganeni?
Mfethu, as long as ungekho violent, fight by all means ukuthi ube present. Even if bevala ngayo yonke indlela, ingane yakho ayibe aware ukuthi itime alikaze liyeke ukuzama ukuba khona empilweni yami.
When we are doing lezi zinto esizenzayo siyama-time, most of the time uyenza because you want to build the legacy. Leyo legacy uyibuildela bani ngokokwakho uBeast? Would you want to see him eqhubeka nayo? But then the conflict iba sekuthenini nayo namaphupho akho angahlangene nelegacy yakho. Then in that case, when uplan ukwenza kanjani as time?
That's a very, very important question. Why? Because Nami, I come from a business-orientated family. Oleti, since I was born, Leah Hispana, timer, when I was very young, started his own businesses. So, ekhaya nje kunama business ano 30 years. Type thing. and now, throughout my journey in life, now me being exposed to business, obviously, I'm in a number of businesses. I own a number of businesses. I operate a number of businesses. But the family business is the biggest of them all.
Yeah.
Because it's not about pops to me. It's about Ndlovu.
Yeah.
I understand. So do whatever you need to do. Chase your dreams. Start whatever you want to start. Do whatever. But there's, it's not about me. Ulwazi 30 years from now. Umtshele 5 minutes yoqhulula ama Bentley le manje. Sengisebenzile impilo yami yonke to try by all means ukuthi ngifike la. You need to take over and watch this thing for your little sisters, your children, because even now, nothing is about me. Everything is about if I know flopera lentwana yami and isoxabana. The legacy is not from it's
the whole thing.
And ongamula bashaka leyo mpahla. Hence ufike hlezi kukosha nje hlezi kumnati fellas because it's been sprinkling down generation to generation to generation.
Ngibuza lo mbuzo because there's some of us who come from underprivileged background, then we do not have to deal with the succession problems or the legacy issues because there's nothing to gain value. You have to build. But umusu buildile, then you feel the need to ukuthi intwana ayithathe lokho so that izoqhubeka nawo for umndeni. Then there are people about coming from legacy okuthi kumele iqhubeke nayo lo legacy phezu kwalezi zinto sowuzenzile nayo kumele iqhubeke. And then when you look at families like Oppenheimer, Rupert, succession yabo bayishaya clean. Loko wazi ukuthi uRupert, whichever face you put okusalayo uRupert njengoba uchaza ukuthi manje Ndlovu, whichever face oyifakayo still we continue with the same legacy. But I'm happy to hear you putting it like that because it is as clean as it can be. At least we are conscious ukuthi then there's this thing a succession ekumele siqhubeke nayo so that isibongo soqhubeka asibhekanga mina ngedwa sibheke.
You know how they played off Ongamula? Ithi lento Smith. Me ukuthi uSmith Jr. uyabhayiza. It's fine. Landani lapho uCraig lapho azophatha. Kodwa ithi Smith lento.
Sure.
Yabo. Ayijiki. So when a structure but yona in the heart and soul
Dismid.
Yeah.
Njengasebukhosini.
Yes.
Odaki bakwazi ukuyishaya kahle ebukhosini.
Ebukhosini.
Yeah. Cause iyakwazi ukubiza nje it Mandela family ukuthi CEO ubani operator lo trust okanye ama business akhona but still ithi
Vele in most cases i-successor izivula amehlo late.
ukuthi
Ibona naye sibona ukuthi hey tosama ihlanga. Hey konje vele ukhona phahla.
Yeah, ngabuyela la.
Cause kunomjida la eThekwini mfethu that abanye abantu bayayibuza imibuzo ngayo kanye kuwe ukuthi angifuni ukubiza igama lomuntu uthi uyabona ukuthi hey ole deal isipanile but wena boy why ungangeni qhubeke nelegasi but then now you do not ayibi clear ukuthi focus manje but I think uyayichaza ukuthi hey umqondo uvuka late.
Yeah, nanokuthi phela keep in mind ukuthi iwealth yabantu abamnyama I spend hundreds of years in terms of rand value.
Yeah.
Yabo. So kulula ukuthi eyabhayiza lentwana le. Intwana le fine ngabe yabo mina ngile intwana ngabe. Ingoba you come from a position ekuforsayo ukuthi le ntwana ngabe. Le ntwana ikhulele bafutheni.
Vele no cheese.
It doesn't know anything other than ukuthi fanele yabo mina mengivuka
Ijampile yeah.
yabo
Seku great.
yeah kwathi ha sekuyabheda wena ha abashithi impilo akufani mfethu akufani
Sure.
That makes sense.
You touch on something that's very powerful because sometimes it's not like to each other with it's like you know it's like it's not like wonke umuntu bese belaqale from you know there's
Yeah.
nothing wrong ukuqala nje mafutheni
Yeah.
so nalento okwenza abantu bafile bad ngathi manje ngimele sonke you know why
enye impahla mfethu engingayincanya mfethu kale impahla lethi yabo le mpahla lelokushini class intwana thothi kubo kunama supermarket bamnandi bo kwakhiwe nekhapots nama camera ayahle wena bhotela barara as if fanele afile swag
Ngokuthi
area ukuthi ekhaya abaphantile and I think to myself ukuthi ngivuka every day ngilala late ngivuka early ngilala late ngivuka early it's not for me to be anything other than a superhero to my son.
Yeah.
Ngifuna kona ukuthi le ntwana ingasweli lutho.
Yeah.
Yabo. So why should le ntwana 10 years from now isafarishe because mina bengiphantela yona. It's such a toxic mentality amongst abantu abamnyama phela. And angihlezi ngiyibuka and just no man, umjita kunama taxi ku that's probably the most gangster family I know, but ngoba kunemali uyibhotela. Make it make sense.
ukuthi nani ke nize nimenze focus kodwa still nibize ngebhotela.
Lo nayo yonke. Bro, ay khona.
So you touch on something really powerful, bro. Even also like how important it is, dog, when it comes to finance as an artist, just to be financially literate in the industry for you.
Yo, fine. Kahle nje. Fine ngabe you have no business in this field if you don't have, and unfortunately it's the exact opposite. Ukuthi kugcwele abantu abangekho aware, but it's such a malicious and dirty industry. Hence why kunale wave yaba artists who die broke, who go broke while they're still alive, who see crazy success that doesn't reflect in the bank. Ileyo mpahla uthi we come from nothing. Uthatha mawulanda umuntu emkhukhwini lesigodini esingaziwa umlethe egoli cabanga umnisi eThekwini isegoli urecord esentini phamana nama Ferrari obviously mawubeka iphepha la uzosayina
Yeah.
yabo umnika u50,000 uthi sambe ushintsha wardrobe avela hlanye avela hlanye kule uthi apartment lapho lo muntu multi platinum selling but uhlala ku apartment no next door womuntu osebenza e-office a corporate employee yabo who praises this person ambuke ngathi superior because of the fame but we live in the same block, bro. We are paying the same amount. We are living the same lifestyle. You might be even doing better than me. Yeah, well. So ghost lapho ukuthi iletha naleyo pressure. Yabo. Ukuthi kwayona lama funds amancane usuwaspenda recklessly trying to keep up. Yabo.
So how do you define success for umuntu oku-industry uthi azini sengakubona so successful man? How do you what fune benzeni ukuze ubone successful enjani manje?
For me, I personally believe success cannot be defined. Success is a personal perspective. If my version of success ukuthi ngakhela ugogo umuzi, I achieve a logo, I'm successful.
Yeah.
Regardless of whether I have a car or not. Yeah, well. So it's very hard to say I spend myself successful because ungaba ngisho no 10 million and blow it.
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, that's possible.
But after you've blown it, how do we say you are successful? It's because of what you personally set for yourself. Ukuthi mina mengakhipha imali lapha.
Yeah.
But I think then that's the definition of success.
But did you hear the question?
The question yakho ukuthi
awukwazi ukubona
yeah.
Mangibuka lapha ngithi successful.
Yeah.
I'm wrong because I don't know what success is today.
And we are tempted to define success like that singabantu ukuthi siyakwazi ukubona because I think failure then becomes so clear as if then now success should be that clear as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
Let's say you had 4 hit albums.
Yeah.
You built a kaya, makaya. You built a home for yourself and your wife and kids. And then things go south. But you own these properties.
Yeah.
And that, all you have to do is survive.
Yeah.
I have everything. The money, the cars. And I stay in a huge villa. But the bank owns my cars. The bank is taking a chunk of my money every month. Yeah, rent. How do we then define who's successful? When we walk in the door, so it's who is...
Because we are tempted to say, I'm not going Gucci in the LV.
Exactly. It's a crazy topic, that one. Especially when you're watching from within the industry, because it's very common.
It's fluent,
very common. That's why mina awusoze ngibone menginemali awusoze ngibone menginganamali because I don't show either or.
Yeah.
I just give you my music.
Yeah, usiposted ubusikhombisa ukuthi hayi ke manje ayiziyasho.
Uthenga into
Yeah.
Never that. Never that.
I know to pist ngokukwama think I vethu. Everything is clear. But I still want to touch on little business or some of the businesses that you do. Kunaleli lama event lelo Elicon. Ngicela ukungichazele kabanzi ngalo.
Yeah, so I'm part of a team of event organizers. So Sinama events like founder or created, but we work as a collective.
Sure.
So me notably is an event called Wild Summer. The first installment was in 2018.
18.
Yeah. Before that was Diamonds in the Dirt from 2013 to think about my 2017.
Yeah.
Where we were uncovering raw talent. So we had it backing Tegu. And then My Wild Summer, we've had them for a number of years in different locations. And then, one night with a certain brand, like all these spontaneous things.
Yeah.
And then now, we're launching for the first time a Beast Republic.
Beast Republic.
Yeah, it's happening at Guamashu Fan Park on the 30th of August. So Peace Republic is we're creating a nation where music is the rule of law. We are selling tickets, we are calling them citizenship.
Okay.
We are the citizens. It's a nation where only good vibes rule. Anything other than that, you are not welcome here.
That's it.
Yeah. So, njengoba ngibuye ngibe unjani ngibuye ngibe uchef sengu-president of my own nation.
We're nation, we're Peace Republic.
Yeah. So yeah, we've got that, and then December 24 we have Wild Summer. Nayo kwamashu but kwelinye ground lingasekhaya.
Uma usuthi Beast Republic ayixabani nalo Beast lo waphesheya, Mr Beast.
Hayi bo, kanjani?
Ayixoxisi.
Hayi. Ngitsheli lo.
So yini informally yampahla ukuthi sisigcine sibone ukuthi no siyayidinga i-nation man.
Ilento yama gigs, dog. You know, gigs I wave.
Sure.
Sometimes Genanch. And sometimes Tule. And then like this year, there are less gigs.
Yeah.
In general. Not would say Beast is gigging less.
Yeah.
No, like when my peers share my calendar, it's like, it's 10.
Yeah.
But the answer has always been, Uzi, book yourself. You know, a perfect example of that was Java. Java started charging so much, so high, based on his value, that he couldn't be booked all the time anymore. So he decided, okay, I'll book myself for the whole year. So what does he do? This year is on the 2017 tour. He's performing the songs he released in 2017. Meaning, this guy has 8 years of gigging till he starts performing. That's 8 years, bro. 8 years. Nationwide, sold out shows, 2 days per pop. That's serious money. You don't have to be booked.
So ispana kanjani ke yona i-Beast Nation event usuku olulodwa noma?
Yeah, so it's a festival, outdoor fest. So it's one day, 12 to 12. But there are activations leading up to. So I was just thinking, I don't want to spill the beans, but I will share passports and I'm
if you come to
the activations, then you get a free pass you get free citizenship, and maybe some goodies from the sponsors, something value add. But yeah, that's the concept. Dope Fest, so you say kasi. I'm trying to like look shini. Ayabakona ama show amaningi, but you'll find nothing repetition. Yama lineup na. So I'm trying to bring that quality of festival in the more urban areas.
Yeah.
Sifake gas where the lineup is not predictable and it's like type thing. So that's what we're trying to do with Peace Republic.
And then we touching on equality ama-artist owalethe lokushini, I think into eba inkinga kuba I'm assuming kuba inkinga ye-security ukuthi how do you then make sure ukuthi i-movement yabo but no, I'm not saying ukuthi lokushini azenzeki izinto ezi-right abafika abantu aba-right ziyenzeka izinto ezi-right bafika but usually then musu organize event I feel like i-load iba lapho more than anything to make sure ukuthi these people get safe and they feel safe and yonke into yenzeka ngendlela because we can't run away from perspective or perception esiyinikeziwe ngelokisho ukuthi alikho safe. Then what do you do then in that? It affects and the planning yakho event in terms of that.
Safety is one of the most important aspects of event management, especially a location, especially Wamash. But more, for me, more than artist safety,
Yeah.
public safety comes first. Because that's where most of the crimes happen.
Yeah.
That's where most of people go missing, people get robbed or stabbed, But we have seen a decline in those type of activities, especially when there's something big elokishini. Kunanale level of respect.
Ebakhona.
Aish basilethele into emoja. Akusafani nakuqala where it was ukuthi amachito will literally gang up but yabona namhlanje bafana
Yeah,
sobulala
siyohlupha.
soqeda lapha yabo. So it's just a matter of ukuthi policing from SAPS and also internal policing like security staff.
Yeah.
Nan ibe very visible, very efficient, and ikwazi ukuthi mitigate the situation because it is a real thing. That's a very important point. And even we plan event scope, it's way up there.
Yeah.
Safety is one of the main.
But I think even nendlela ophendula ngayo lo mbuzo, then it also gives the assurance umuntu noma ngathi umuntu ohlala ema-suburbs.
Yeah.
Ohlala look experience ikasi on that day. Then they know ukuthi at least on that day then we are assured safe.
Yeah,
we can pull through. Yeah.
Definitely. Also, another thing that we look at is when we choose venues, is the access.
Yeah.
How far, how deep into this foreign land do you have to drive in if ungasiyo wala?
Yeah.
So we tend to create it in an easy access in and out. Maybe in a police station along the way, maybe because when we drop the map, this is how you get there. We put those main points.
Yeah.
So just to give that little soft landing for someone who's doubting. It's so safe, God.
Ngcono bese ngaba khona okunye esikukhohlayo mfethu.
I know.
Go, go,
Wena
go.
ubize mina la.
Mina njengoba ngisho ukuthi yabo peace ngihappy mfethu ngimina
No,
ngihappy.
nothing happy mfethu.
Umuntu ngeze bafethu khona enihhalela ukukubuza.
It's ngaphandle ukuthi nje leave something for the kids. Yabo into abazokwazi ukubambelela kuyona
Yeah.
until they make it. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, for me, I'd like to say, based on my experience, ukuthi, the best thing you can do for yourself as a youngster, creative or not, is to work on yourself at all times. And whatever it is that you have found a comfort spot, I actually feel good when I do this. And I can build a future. And one thing, if you're saying that, lending angiphilisa nomndeni wami. Work on it constantly, even when it seems like it's not moving. It is because you are growing within it. By the time your opportunity presents itself, you have some level of skill, some level of experience to deal with now the real matters within that field. So my advice would say, do not stop doing it. We are rap, pista ayiphendulang DM yakho. So what, dog? Like, just go. Mhlampe iyophendula umuntu omkhulu kunopista yabo. But see, by that time, you would have sharpened your skills. I'll give you a testimony. Ufila Man, our main producer in Jandin Entertainment. When we met, we worked, like, I'm like, yo, your work is amazing, dog. And this one day I want to DM him something. Gifikri DM yakhe like 5 years ago. Nah. 5 years prior. I was like, dog, you DM'd me. Like, yeah. But he didn't stop working.
Yeah.
Well, by the time we locked, I saw Loki because of a DM. Just Loki because of the work. I heard the beats. I'm like, yo. Ubalo.
Yeah.
It's like, and then
And
look at us now. He's a multi-platinum selling producer,
waited
by the
for
way.
your
Shout
DM.
out Fila Man. So yeah, that's the word, Fitz. So just pump.
Keep pushing.
Keep pushing. Word up.
Mfethu bengisathi ngizothi asiqhubeka yavele wayibeka yacha. Mfethu clear mfethu. Peace tingakithi ngihappy mfethu. Ngihappy indlela oyiphendule ngayo namadlebe uzwile omunye nomunye mfethu. Hayi kusho ukuthi sizoyidlala ka5. Izingene. Siyabonga kakhulu mfethu. Thank you for your time.
Bonga mina.
Appreciate it so much.
Yes sir.
Ayizophinde sinibone nini.
Danke machiteni.
Danke machiteni.
Danke.